So basically what I did is I made a little password checker. When you run it, you can enter your password. I'll just put test, and it has that a password should be at least 16 characters long. It needs to contain a special character, and I need to have it contain a number as well. If I run it again, and I just make it really long, but no numbers, no special characters, it just says special character and number needed. 16 characters is gone. I'll test it by just entering a special character. Same thing, 16 characters long, a number, but the special character warning is gone. And then if I just enter a number, it's 16 characters long and special character needed. And then for an example of really long one, special characters, and it's numbers, you've got a good password. I do this by having a password score, and the password score gets calculated by these checks at the bottom. It's just a bunch of if-else statements. And the password score gets added on to if the length of the user password is greater than the minimum length, and the minimum length is 16, and the user password is just the input that the user puts in. The password score also goes up if the check number equals true. Check number is just, so check num is a true or false boolean. Numbers is just a little, it's just a bunch of numbers that gets checked for this for statement, and it checks it each one to see if it's in the password. If it is, it'll say that it's true and it'll break away, and if it's not, it'll make it false, which then makes this, if it's false, that's why it prints this, that you need a number, otherwise it adds to password score. And then the same exact thing works for the special characters. It's just all of these characters that get checked in this for loop, and it works the same way. And then if each one of those pass, it gets added up, and so if it's equal to 3, you got a good password, but if it's lower than that, it will not. And it gets automatically set to 0 when you run the program, so you can't like go above it by like having it run new each time.